eating them?
Yeah, later after we use it. Later tomorrow. Hi, this is Daniel from Hong Kong. Welcome to another episode. Today we are going to make an experiment with all kinds of sodas and Mentos with also popping candy. Let's see what will happen. Okay, Dennis, let's roll! So first, we will use Sprite and Cola with Mentos to make a simple experiment and see which soda will explode more.
Yes, okay, now choose.
Now,
Dennis, what do you want?
I choose the Sprite. What do you choose? I choose the Cola, okay?
I choose this one.
Then I choose this one.
Okay.
Let's see. Now we need one
cool.
Mentos. Okay, then. If you after that you have to put all of the Mentos inside the Sprite, okay? Okay, 4.
What?
Oh my god.
Don't drink yet.
Oh.
Ooh. Go. Wow. Oh my god.
Okay, another one.
Okay.
No.
Nothing
Look
happens.
at mine.
Okay, let's see.
Let's drink it.
Coke. Just here, right? And Sprite. Let me see.
Until in the middle.
Oh yeah.
So mine.
So Cola is the winner.
Yay, which is me.
Well done.
Can I drink it?
Yeah, you can try. Don't drink cola like that. And Sprite. Hey, boys. Hey.
Okay, now.
Can I see this one? You put it.
Now we're going to use those balloons. Each balloon contains 6 Mentoses, and then after it reaches down to the bottom, the Mentos reach down, then the water level will rise up, and let's see whose balloon will be the much biggest, okay? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go, Dennis!
Wow! What? What happened? Dennis, what happened? Whoa!
Wow, it looks much bigger than mine.
Yeah. Guess that's it.
Oh.
Whoa. So the cola and Sprite went in the balloons. Ooh.
Wow! So the Mentos went inside the bottom. After that, the balloon will get big. And now let's see who is the biggest. Okay, then let's see which one is the biggest balloon.
Oh, I guess Dennis won this one.
Yeah.
So big. Oh. Well done, Dennis. You're the winner.
You like it when you win?
I like it, but it's getting low.
Ah.
Maybe I'll be wet.
Ah, you'll get wet.
Ah! This time we will mix popping candy inside CC lemon. Okay, let's see what will happen now.
It's so stinky right now.
Oh, what flavors do you have?
We have watermelon and apple.
Okay.
Dennis, which one do you want?
I want that.
Okay, then let me help you.
It looks like stinky.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, put it in. Ooh. Oh, it's happening.
Ooh.
It's happening. Ooh, it's getting strange.
How's yours, Danny?
Still not.
Gotta wait for it.
Ooh.
Mine's kind of weird.
What's it red? That's something coming.
Oh.
Okay, this time Daniel wins.
Yay! It looks like that popping candy doesn't work as well as Mentos.
Good.
So yummy. Now we will do the ultimate experiment, which is put in 20 Mentos inside the big Fanta. Okay, let's do this. Ready, Dennis?
Yeah.
You say the 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Oh my, oh wow!
Wow.
Oh, the Fanta is in the balloon now.
Yeah, cool.
Shake it, shake it. Oh, it's bigger than your head.
Oh my god. I can stop. Let's see. What will happen if I...
Hey.
Now that our experiment is successful, hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please leave a like or subscribe and leave a comment if you like.
Bye-bye.